It's 2025 now. And by the way, congratulations to the matriculants of 2024. I mean, we've all seen the stats. Everything is good. Everything is nice. So yeah, congratulations, because most of the provinces are probably racing at 87, 85%, 86, 91, stuff like that. Congratulations. But you've seen the unemployment rate is skyrocketing to 60% now. So at the same time, you gotta look at the stats, the value of that matric result individually. Probably most got a diploma, a minimum bachelor, and so universities don't really play when coming to those APS and type shit like that. They be looking for APS like 40, 38, like damn. So, but then anyways, congratulations. This young fella, I forgot his name, but he was the top learner of Gauteng. So shout out to the guy. I kind of knew him, not really personally, but we live. So I know him from somewhere. So congratulations to you, dog. So anyways, I'm thinking, right now matric results are out. It's January. People are panicking. People are going all over looking for bursaries. And apparently there's a story that students are killing their parents on a paper to get those bursaries, like Nsfas, like your Tutuka and stuff, because it's hard. It's hard. Varsity fees don't really play like that, so it's hard. People be pretending that their parents are dead, be providing the fake death certificate and all that bullshit in order to get a bursary. Imagine. But they be saying bursaries are there. I mean, yeah, bursaries are there, but the requirements of those stuff don't really play like that. I mean, they don't. So I don't know what the fuck is going on with this world we're living in currently. So, but anyway.
Trejo Tebogo from Turfloop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, LungTrey STUDIO, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung